Hi everybody, this is Robin. Welcome back to my channel. Today is unboxing pallet tote number 3 of the big items that are going to be sold on Facebook Marketplace. And up first, as you can see, is a fan. It is a 16-inch oscillating fan. I have 3 of these that are going to be going up on Facebook Marketplace if they work. And I also have, well, I have 2 more of those, so I have 3 of that type of fan. And then I have this one here, another type of fan. I gotta see if it works. And it's going to go up on Facebook Marketplace unless I want to keep it because we need an extra one. And we have this ultrasonic humidifier by Vicks. I have 2 of these. Gotta see if they work. And I also have, I'm pricing this in one of my other videos, this foot massager with the remote control and everything, and it does work. So I'm going to be taking a picture of this one and getting it up on Facebook Marketplace. And then I have this deep tissue massager thing that I'm going to be putting up on Facebook Marketplace as well. And then I have some things down here. I think this is another humidifier by CVS. Gotta see if it works. And let's see, what else do we have? Oh, here's another massager that maybe Facebook Marketplace, maybe eBay. Oh, I already tested one of these and it worked, so this is going on eBay if it works. I'll have to test this. I didn't know I had another one. And then I got some more of the CVS Health 800 series blood pressure monitor. And I got another one in a different color. And that's a different series. So I got to test those, see if those work. And then I've got one of these vaporizers that will probably go on Facebook Marketplace because they're not worth much. And we have an ultrasonic humidifier by CVS. We'll see if that works. I might sell this on Facebook Marketplace. I'm not sure. Then we have, oh no, I thought this was something else. Oh. I think I know where this belongs. I'll have to find that. We have a really beat up box of a coffee espresso maker, I do believe. The box is really messed up, but it looks like, oh, let me see if I can get the machine out of this box. I think it might be missing some stuff. I have no idea. I think this is missing its cup thing. I don't know. I've never used one of these. I don't know. I'll have to look at it. Oh yeah, it's missing parts. So I don't know about this. Don't know about this one. And I didn't find any parts. There was nothing in this thing. So that might not be a seller. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's just a little bottle of essential oil. Peppermint. And then I have another one by Oster. It's another espresso machine, so it should all be there. So this will go on Facebook Marketplace. And then I also have, let me just put this back in the box, in this tote. Yeah, I don't know about this, so I'll set it off to the side. I don't know if you can sell one like that without all the parts. Let me know down in the comments, because it doesn't have everything it needs. It does have its instructions and stuff, but it doesn't have the main things that you need. Let me know if you can still sell those, because I'm not for sure. And I also got 2 Cricut machines. And I will show you them in a minute. Let me get some room, because they are big and heavy. Move that out of the way. I'll be right back. This is one Cricut machine. This one right here. And as far as I know, it does turn on and work. I got this one. And this is heavy. And this one. And they have everything that comes with them. The cutting tools and everything. That can wear you out. Those are heavy. But these will be going on Facebook Marketplace, and I already looked them up, and they're going for like $300 on eBay. So I'm going to try and ask that on Facebook Marketplace. That gives me a little leeway room to negotiate, you know, maybe $200, because they're going for almost $300 on eBay. Now, I'm not putting it on eBay. It's too heavy to mail. But this is all my big stuff that I got from that palette, and this is it of what I had out of my palette. I didn't get a whole lot of little things this time. I got a little bit of little things on half, and all these big things in the other half. So I'm going to be getting listing on, or testing these things. Well, I already tested these work. So I'm getting ready to put them up on Facebook Marketplace. I might save one for my daughter, my youngest daughter, for Christmas. I'm not sure, but I'll think about it. If you are just finding me, thank you for finding me. I hope you subscribe. And all my regulars, thank you for tuning in and watching all my unboxings and all my other little videos that I put up. I really appreciate it. Thank you everybody for tuning in and watching. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. It'll probably be the what sold on eBay on Monday, so stay tuned for that one. So far I'm having a pretty good Saturday, so I hope it works. Anyway, babble babble. I will see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.